Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. So, thanks once again, guys, and to believe in GoOnlineTrainings.com and to believe in my classes, and you're part of this batch. And we extended the payments because many people have requested that they could not make the payments in they couldn't make the payments yesterday, and we have extended this to few more days so that you can utilize this opportunity and to make the payment and continue further. And this meeting ID will be there for another 2 to 3 days. We are not going to change it, and utilize this opportunity and to continue with this batch. So if you lose this opportunity to join it, the next batch is going to start in month of August. So every month we'll have only one batch. So the timing also only in morning. So we don't have any evening classes. We don't have any classroom classes. We don't have any weekend batches as well. If you don't have the time, so one is that you can take videos, daily videos, and you can practice them. And if you have any doubts, you can be part of our Telegram group. So that Telegram group also we are going to create in within 1 or 2 days, so that you will be able to be part of that group. So you can install Telegram app, and we are going to be adding you once you make the payments and everything. So it will take 2 to 3 days time to create a Telegram group so that everybody will be there in the Telegram group. You can ask any kind of a question over there so that I can reply, and people also can reply. So if you have any questions and everything, so that is what is the thing we are going to be doing. And from today, the videos will not be distributed in the over mail. So you will be able to get a separate portal access. Okay. You will be able to get a separate portal access. People who made the payment, those people will be getting daily videos posted there. So you will be able to call this guy. If you're not able to get the access, not today, you wait for 1 or 2 days, you will be able to get access. Okay, if you don't get it, so this is the number for video access. Every time you don't mail me, and you can just call or WhatsApp. Don't call, just WhatsApp saying that this is the payment, I have made it, and I am from the July batch, I want to have a video access. His name is Avinash. Okay, his name is Avinash. You have to call them. So from today, you don't get the videos in the email. Okay, only the people who made the payment, they will be given a portal access. So daily videos will get uploaded by 1 o'clock, not immediately. By 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, this video also will get uploaded. People who made the payment will have the access. Okay, so probably today or tomorrow the complete list will be finalized. Once everything is finalized, everybody will get the access to the daily videos. So that is what. So don't mail me saying that, sir, send me a video, or I did not get the video. So we are not going to be broadcasting it. We are keeping all the videos into the portal. So daily, you will go to that portal and check your videos. But to get the access, it may take 1 or 2 days extra. Not only these Power BI videos, SQL Server videos also. So at the time of talking to Avinash, you need to clearly mention, so SQL Server Telugu do you need, or do you need English? You have to clearly mention, and you need to put your payment details. You need to give your complete name as per Aadhaar card, PAN card, as per payment screenshot, plus your email ID. Everything you have to give it to him so that this guy can give you complete access for the videos. Yeah, am I clear? So that you will be able to watch them, see them, and enjoy them. And you will also be part of the Telegram group. Avinash is going to be creating, he is part of the administration team. He is going to be helping you and creating a Telegram group, and he will be also putting you people there so that you can create a good chat. If you have any problem, don't ask us. First, ask in the Telegram group. Somebody will respond. If not, then you can check with either Avinash, or you can also write a mail to me. If nothing is getting happening, then you can escalate the matter to me, Bhaskar, jogi@gmail.com or goonline.bhaskar, so that I will be able to help you with your concern. Clear? If you're planning to discontinue the class, you have to tell us immediately, because if you suddenly discontinue and after 3 months you wake up and come back saying that, sir, I'm discontinued because blah blah blah, so it will be problem for us, and we need to accommodate you in the new course as well, right? So definitely, if you have any concerns, okay, so anything, so definitely you have to inform us, okay? Once you make the payment, no payments are refundable. So remember that. So you cannot ask for the refundable. You cannot transfer that as well to anyone else. And within 6 months, you should be able to complete the course. The course validity 6 months. So if you, whatever be the reason, if you're not able to complete it today, you have a 6 months period. So in that time, you should be able to complete it. So validity for the course is 6 months, and no amount will be refunded. So once you make the amount, so be careful, because I would like to tell you all of them before that, so that you can have a proper learning. And so definitely you are going to be learning from very basic level to advanced level. And if you're not able to come to the class, whatever be the reason, you will have the portal access, so that you can just watch the videos. You cannot download the videos, okay? And if you're giving any access to a third person, we can, see IP addresses, two IP address, different IP address we can get, and without any intimation, we can terminate you from the class. Okay, if you're sharing these credentials to anyone else, in your family members or anybody, so definitely we will come to know, we will get two IP addresses who are accessing the videos. Okay, so immediately we can, terminate, and we will not be able to give you not even a single rupee. So be cautious. Don't share your, portal passwords and everything to, so no one. So only you supposed to access them, and you supposed to, watch them. So if you cross any this one, so legal actions also can be taken. Clear? So be careful. It is completely for your learning. You have to use it completely and not for others, right? So if they're not able to, buy it, whatever be the reason, you tell we are going to be giving free courses, no problem. We will help them. If they have a financial issues, then definitely we are going to support. Clear? And one more thing I would like to tell you, Go Online Trainings is supporting a single women. So people who lost their husband because of COVID, lot of families got collapsed, right? So last COVID, lot of cases, we got saying that husband is no more, because she lost the husband because of the COVID, and they are not able to make the payment. They are not able to survive in their life. So what we are doing, completely free training, free coaching, we are giving it to single women, so that they can utilize this opportunity. We are going to support them till they placed in the IT industry. And I wanted to tell you one good news. Yesterday, one girl like that from Nellore, and she got her husband passed away because of cancer, and we came to know that she couldn't pay, the fee, and we told her not to pay, not to make any amount, and she got the opportunity yesterday in Cap Gemini. Okay, so like that, we have a few people where we are not taking not even a single rupee, and we are helping the society, so that those people can lead their life peacefully, because they lost their husband, children, and they need to take care of their family. It's very difficult things. So every batch we're accommodating those girls as well. A new family, a new village. If you have somebody, they have a graduation, but they're earning only 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees. They don't have proper support from their family. Then you tell them that Go Online Trainings is helping them till their placement. We are not going to charge not even single rupee. It is completely free. Clear? So who lost their husband, right? And they have a family to support. We are helping them. So tell in your village, in your community, if you have somebody, and already we have such people, at least 10 to 20 people took training with us, and one girl got a job yesterday in Cap Germany with a 10 lakhs of salary package. She's going to join in July 8th, right? So that was the success story, and many more people yet to receive offer letters. We are not charging not even single rupee, and you can utilize this opportunity. Clear, guys? Yeah, that's what we wanted to support the society, guys. Chalo. So now let us install the SQL Server software today, and we are also going to install Power BI software today. And before that, let us understand what is a reporting and what is a visualization. Reporting means what? Reporting means rendering the business data in structured format using tables and matrix. Okay. For example, I wanted to open some Excel. Excel is a good reporting tool. Excel is a good reporting tool. I wanted to say Java. Okay. Java sales is $10,000, and Power BI sales is, let us say, $13,000, and let us say SQL sales is, let us say, $22,000. So this is the sales. I have some sales data. I can show you this data in the form of a table. Okay, this is what is a beautiful table I will create. Now I can say it is a sales report. What is it is called? It is a sales report of some courses we are selling, and this is the report. I can say course, and this is the amount in amount INR, or billion dollars, whatever it is. Clear? Now I can show you like this, or I can also take this data, convert this data into visualization. I can create like this. Now tell me, this is what is called a visualization. Java, Power BI, SQL. This is what is called visualization. And I show the data in the table format. This is what is called a report. Clear? So you have to know what is a report and what is a visualization. So rendering means displaying, showing, చూపించు అని అర్థం వస్తుంది. Render the business data in structured format. Like that, I create a table, I create a matrix. What is a matrix? We'll discuss later. If you're rendering the data in this format, means reporting. Visualization means graphical representation of the business data using charts, graphs, maps, lot of them. Clear? So different visualization we're going to be creating, and we are going to be displaying the data. Rendering means displaying. Clear? So there are 200, more than 200 visualizations are available in Power BI. No reporting software has like that. You take a Tableau software, SSRS software, even Excel is also number one reporting software. You don't have these many visualizations, but Power BI has much more visualization. What is the reporting? Did you understand? Show the data in the table format. I have shown this data, but if you create a beautiful chart, so I can use the chart like this, you can have the chart like this, or you can also create anything, not only this chart, different variety of charts we should be able to create. In Excel, in the Power BI also, we can create a multiple charts. This is what is called a visualization. So what is a report? What is the visualization? You have to know. So end of the day, report and visualization means display the data. Display the data, render the data either in the this format or this format. For example, I wanted to send a credit card monthly bill. Can I create a visualization and send? No. I have to create a table report, right? So every month data will be there in the table, and the bill will come to you. But according to IT industry, that is not a bill, that is a report. Okay, that is a report. Bank statement, you will be able to get it. Is it a visualization? No, 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 no. That is not a visualization. That is a report. Clear? So sometimes you have to create a report, sometimes you have to create a lot of visualizations. Clear? Like that, you are going to be creating a visualizations. For example, I wanted to show a brand wise sales. Create a visualization. I wanted to create a country wise sales. Create a visualization. Clear? So reports and visualizations we are going to be using in the PI model. But if you wanted to create a beautiful report or a beautiful visualization, means before that you have to get the data, clean the data, store the data, remove duplicates, data model it, lot of things you need to do it. Then only we can create a beautiful report. So that the initial activities are called as data engineering activities. Data engineering activities. I told you, if you wanted to prepare a chicken biryani, you have to go to the shop, buy the chicken, get the vegetables, clean the vegetables, cut the chicken, clean the chicken, get the vegetables, get the spices, get the curd, mix it up, marinate it, keep it, soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Then you call the chef. Then you call the chef. Chef is going to be preparing the food. Chef assistant will come and he will be giving the list of items to be brought and all of them to be cleaned. All of them will be handled by a assistant chef, right? Then chef is going to be coming and preparing a good biryani. So you have to get the data, clean the data, marinate the data, soak the data, massage the data, whatever you would like to do it. This is what is called a data preparation activity, data engineering activity. So what is the data engineering? Data engineering means completely a pre-reporting activities. Before create a report, whatever you're going to be doing, all of them are called data engineering activities. Data preparation is very, very important. Many people will come to me, sir, I know Power BI very well. Okay, Power BI only 20% of the time the companies are going to be using. Before that, you have to do lot of data preparation activities. I told you, BI means business intelligence or a data analytics means the step number one, the phase number one is always data preparation. అర్థమవుతుందా? Data preparation is very, very important. This is what is called as a data engineering. So in the data engineering, what are the technologies that we have to know? Compulsorily SQL, data warehousing, data modeling. All of them we are going to be learning one by one. So data modeling you have to know, and DAX queries you have to know, right? So all these things you have to know, and in the second step only you create a reports. In the second part you have to know completely a Power BI tool, or you can also use Excel tool, or you can also use SSRS tool, or you can also use a Tableau tool. Okay, any reporting tool you can have, you should be able to take a report. So report creation is a 20% only, right? So remaining work in the business intelligence, 80% of the time you are going to be doing these activities. So many people will come and learn Power BI for 2 months, SQL for 7 days, data warehousing for one day. That's it. So they say, sir, I am ready. Now I wanted to jump into IT industry. So even though they're fully ready with Power BI, they're only 20% useful. They are 20% useful for the IT industry. These people either work for the small projects, or they have to come out of the IT industry, because these people are reaching not the proper faculties. These people are reaching the people who are running the institutions. Okay, so who need more money from the people. So many, you can also start your business and bring one faculty. The faculty will will act according to the business owner. So the business people who are going to be caring about the business, and they will not tell you to learn all of them. They say you learn Power BI and you learn SQL Server, you can get a job, because we have trained many people and all of them are got jobs, because there is no proof whether that guy is there, that guy is came out already, and that guy is able to sustain. So nothing, because I had seen, I'm there in the IT industry past 20 years, 22 years, I know how many people will rejoin our institution saying that, sir, I got the job, I paid 2 lakhs over there, blah, blah, blah. Clear, guys? So data preparation is very, very important. You have to be good in all these technologies very well. And reporting Power BI and everything is only 20% of the time you will be doing. So this is very, very important and interesting story. Clear? So that is what is called business intelligence and reporting and visualization. Reporting and visualization will come at the end of the business intelligence, where you take the data, you create a report. But before that, you perform a lot of ETL, lot of other activities also, right? So I forgot to mention ETL activities also. ETL activities also will come. ETL means I'm talking about SSIS and data stage. So all these things also will come as part of data preparation. Clear? So that is fine. Today, let us install SQL Server 2019 software. So SQL Server, when you install it, you will be able to get SQL Server plus MSBI also will be installed. You will get SQL software plus MSBI software. MSBI means what? SSIS and SSAS and SSRS also will get installed. Anyhow, we are not going to be using SSRS, but this will get installed. But what are the prerequisites you need to have it? Compulsorily, as I told you, you have to have Windows 10 or 11. I don't recommend Windows 10, but I recommend Windows 11. If you have a home, it will create a lot of problems. So you have to upgrade to Pro. How to upgrade? I told you, you go to flipkart.com and pay INR 555. You will be able to get a key, and using that key, you will be able to install, convert home to the Pro. Because how do you know whether I have installed Home or Pro? You have to go to this window. Click on this window. Okay. Click on this window. You will be able to go to this PC. You will be able to go to this PC. Right click on this. Say properties. When you go to properties, it is telling me edition number Windows 11 Pro. Okay, I have i5 processor and 8 GB of RAM, and I have installed, actually I had Windows 10. I had Windows 10 licensed version, but automatically one day it got installed. I did not install it. Automatically, once it is asking me to restart it, I have restarted it. Everything smoothly upgraded. I did not lose any data. Smoothly Windows 10 got upgraded to Windows 11. So if you have a Windows Home is a dangerous software. We should not use it. So you will be able to get a free software at the time of buying the laptop. When you buy laptop, Windows will be free, but they don't give you Windows Pro. They will give you Windows Home. Clear? But you better upgrade by taking this one. So if you're not able to upgrade, then it will be difficult for you to, perform some operations. But if you, as of now, there is no problem. But after some time, if you start some complex tasks and everything cannot be performed. But Windows 10, if you have it, you need to have latest updates as well. So Windows 10 is also good, but I strongly recommend Windows 11. Which one version? Pro version only I recommend. Clear? So what is the RAM? 2 GB of RAM is enough, but I recommend 4 GB. Okay, 4 GB of RAM. I recommend any processor you can have, i3, i4, i5 or AMD processor, any processor you can have, minimum 100 GB of hard disk. Now, even though you have 1 terabyte of hard disk, so instead of hard disk, what I recommend 128 GB of SSD. Okay, so which will be very, very faster. You go to hardware shop, you ask them SSD. So you install. So in the SSD, you keep this SSD as part of your C drive. If you don't understand all these things, you go to hardware shop and you tell them that, sir, have SSD in my computer, in my laptop, or in my this one, and make this as part of a C drive. Remaining 1 terabyte of data, you can part of D drive, other drives. Clear? You can have. So it will be very, very fast. It will cost you around some 2000 or 2500 rupees if you go in for this. Okay. If you buy a laptop, it will cost you 25K. I'm using Lenovo laptop. If it is a desktop, it may cost you with the same configuration 20K. So you can plan for this. You can go to Amazon.com or any Flipkart.com local hardware shops. You should be able to buy these laptops. I'm using a Lenovo laptop, but you can plan for your own laptops, whatever you would like to buy it. And that's what is my point. Okay. How to search in Flipkart and buy this product? You can go in for laptops. You can go to Flipkart. What is that? You can go to Flipkart and look for this, right? You can go in for a good, you can say laptop, right? So laptop, you can buy it. Thus, when you go to laptop, HP laptops, see it is 11th generation and something like 37. So AMD Ryzen and 8 GB of RAM, GB SSD, and it's 37,000 rupees. Now you can buy it. What is it? It's big deal. Okay. Lenovo IdeaPad. So you can have. I don't recommend Celeron. So I can go in for either this. Okay. So this will be 15-inch, 8 GB RAM. So this will be 512 GB SSD, micro edge anti-glare display, blah, blah, blah. You can go, I think. This is the best one to buy it. And I can give you in the chart window. You should be able to go and buy it. Sure. You can, 37,000 rupees is a good product, right? You should be able to go and look this kind of a configuration. Okay. So like that. Is it okay? So this is the laptop URL. If you wanted to buy it, you can simply go there and buy this. What is that? Sure, I have given you in the chart window. We can buy this. Now, once you get it, now compulsorily you need to check if it is not there. Go to nearest hardware shop. You have to install Better 11. Clear? So that is what Windows conversion. You can also look it in the Flipkart. Okay, so you can see in the Flipkart, or you can also ask in the Telegram group so people can help you. Don't worry about it. Chal. So you can just go check it out. Okay. Now Windows 10 Pro is also fine, but yeah, but recommendation is at 11, right? Now I will give you software. Now, what software I'm planning to give? I'm planning to give SQL Server software. Now I'm giving you in the chart window. So SQL Server 2019, this is going to be having MSBI also. This software I'm giving in the chart window. Okay. So go here, click, and this one you need to copy paste it. So which one? This one you need to take, copy, and you have to go to your where? You have to go to your Chrome or your browser and copy and paste the link and press enter. Okay. Now this is the Google Drive link I'm giving it to you. So this link, when you copy and paste it, you will be able to download this, guys. I'm giving you this link. You have to copy paste elsewhere. Otherwise, you will not be able to get this. Sir, voice is stucking. You need to rejoin. What about others? Am I, clear or not? So Prajwal is saying is stucking. You need to rejoin Prajwal. Okay. Prajwal rejoin. Okay, because I'm using the 200 Mbps speed internet, so that I am very good. So if you have any issues, you rejoin. Clear? Prajwal, you rejoin, so that you can rejoin with the phone, because phone where you will get very good voice. Okay, so video you can see in the laptop, right? So always you do that. Now just go there and try to get this. Now first one, you have to download the software. So what I have done, so first step number one, go to this link. Okay, go to this link and download the software. Which software it is? So this software is called SQL Server software, right? So SQL Server 2019 version. Okay, so step number one, go to this link and download this. That is the step number one. So which link you need to go to? Below link, the link I have posted. If you're not able to get this link, you write me a mail so that I will be able to resend this link. But you better try to save this. Now, where to download? To download, yeah, I can give you, no problem. Okay, so where to download? You need to click on this button. Click on this button. You should be able to download this. So click on this button. You should be able to download all the complete thing, whatever you have it here. Everything will be zipped. So do you know what is zipping? Zipping means compressing. It is telling the size. Everything will get zipped. When I click on this, click on download button, everything preparing to download. So if you have a slow internet, it may take 3 hours, 4 hours also. So don't zip everything and download. Okay. If you have slow internet, it will be difficult for you to download this software. So don't zip everything. What I strongly recommend, instead of this, cancel download. Instead of this, you go to this, right click on this, you say download. So that is the better thing. So you need to download individual one by one. How to do that? You have to right click on this, download. Right click on this, download. Like that, one by one, you need to download and keep it. Okay. So this is the one I have to download it. It is going to be downloading it. Clear? After downloading it, if you download, it will download in the zipping format. So after that, what you need to do? You have to do unzipping. Okay, after download. So go to this, right, and download the software. Step number 2, you have to unzip the software. You will get a single folder, so that you have to unzip. So how unzip? So I'll show you something like that. So you will, for example, if I zip something, for example, this is a zipped one. Okay. So this is a WinRAR zip archive. How to unzip? Right click on this folder. You can say extract all. Clear? So you need to extract all. You need to extract all. It will open this window. Now click on extract. It is going to be unzipping this. Okay. It is going to be unzipping. So it is able to go to this folder, and this is the what I am able to get all the source file data and everything like that. You have to unzip. Right click on this. You can say extract all, and after that click on select, and in this path it is going to be unzipping. Am I clear? So that is one you need to know. Unzip the software or unzip the folder. Okay. So after that, you have to install two things, because SQL Server comes with two softwares. One is SQL Server software plus SQL software, that is RDBMS software and MSBA software. First, you have to install SQL software. Okay. So where is SQL Server software? How to install means you have to go and remember this. So this video you have to watch. This video you have to watch, and it will tell you how to install the SQL software. Clear? So this is a SQL software, SQL Server. This is the one and this is the one. So both of them are which softwares? These are called SQL softwares. Okay. And SSDT setup. This is what is called MSBA software. Okay. So this software is MSBA software, and SSRS, this is SSRS software. You don't download and you don't do anything, even though the video will be saying to configure this, but you don't do that. We don't need. Okay. This video is completely no sound video. You don't get any sound, and don't complain, sir, no sound, no sound video. It will give you step by step what to install. You have to follow this video and install SQL first, then install MSBA. You don't download, you don't install this also. So that is what you got to understand. Few things I would like to tell you. So what are the things I'm going to be telling now? So while installation, you need to follow the video. So install the SQL software video software by using a video. Okay, by using a video. But you need to understand a few things. At the time of installing, you will be able to get versions. different versions it will show you. So one is called developer version, second one is called enterprise version. Okay. So the third one is called express version. So what are the SQL versions you have it? All the SQL versions it is going to be installing. So you choose this, you install this. Okay. You install this. Okay. So this is very, very dangerous. You never go in for this. So this is also fine, but I strongly recommend install this version. Enterprise 180 days evaluation copy. So that means after 6 months, the software will be, will not work. You have to remove this software after 6 months and again reinstall the software. And this will be, you have to choose, okay, at the time of installation. Express is dangerous. If you have a Express, you have to remove the software and you need to have enterprise version software only. So this version, it will show you what version you have to install in this software. All the versions are available, but you need to choose enterprise version only. Then one more thing, at the time of installing MSBI, at the time of installing SQL Server, it will ask you what kind of analysis. SSAS means what? SSAS means SQL Server Analysis Services. Okay, SQL Server Analysis Services. This is part of MSBI. So at the time of SQL Server installation only, it will tell you what kind of a version you would like to have. SSAS is coming with two versions. Again, it is going to be having multi-dimensional, and tabular model. Okay, there are two types of SSAS versions, multi-dimensional and a tabular model. So compulsorily you have to install this. Okay, you should not install this. If you install this, again you have to remove this and again reinstall. So at the time of, in the video, I would have shown you this. In the video, I would have shown you this, but you should not install this. You have to install this. Clear? So this is the one you have to install it. It will take minimum. After that, you have to click next, and finish. So it will be installing. So everything, SQL Server and everything, when it is installed, you have to know whether SQL Server installed or not. How to test it, how to check the SQL software installation. Okay. So how to check SQL Server software means I will tell you. Clear? So these are the point. Just go there, unzip and download it, unzip the folder, install the SQL Server software by using a video. You will be able to install this, and the configuration you have to, at the time of this configuration, you need to choose and click on finish. Okay. Once it is over, you have to check whether SQL Server software installed properly or not. How to check that? Go to start and you say SSMS. SSMS means what? SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, SQL Server Management Studio. I'll go to start. Write SSMS. Okay, when you write SSMS, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, this is a 2019 software. Either you click on this or you click on this. I click on this. Okay, so start and go to SSMS. So you need to get this kind of a window. That means SQL Server is installed properly. SSMS means SQL Server Management Studio. Now you will be able to get a server name. Now, what is the server name here? Server name is the dot. Compulsorily, you have to put a dot. I would have explained why dot. Server name is equivalent to dot. Dot mean full stop. Then click on connect button. You click on connect button, you will be able to go to SQL Server and you click on new query. This is where you are going to be typing your commands. You can typing your commands. Now you can close this, and if you need something, you will be able to click on this. Now you collapse. If you collapse, nothing will be visible. You need to expand. Clear? When you expand, you will be able to get a few databases. Clear? you will be able to get few databases. Now, all of them you will be learning as part of SQL Server classes, how to open, how to install, everything. It will be there in the SQL Server classes. But first of all, you have to install, and you have a lot of databases. This is called a database. You don't understand what is a database, but you can understand slowly later. Lot of things are there, but you don't be having all of them. If you need all these databases, means you have to you have to follow this backup video, and these files you have to download. You have to watch that video. This video you have to watch, okay? And you perform as per this, so that you need to download and you need to get all the databases in your computer. So this is not mandatory, but if you wanted to have, you can also get all the databases. You have to follow that. Clear? So this is how you should be able to test it. Once SQL Server is installed, the next one you need to install the MSBI. So this is what is called MSBI software, right? So you follow this video, so it will show you how to install this. So this we don't need. Okay. So what software? SSDT software that we are going to be installing, so that you will be able to get MSBA software. So the next one is you also follow the video and install it. So MSBA software means, what is the software? You need to SSDT software. You need to install it. Okay. Follow the video. Install this software. Okay. Follow the video. But how to check, or how to test whether everything is neatly installed or not? You have to go to your computer after installation of SSDT. You have to go to start. Okay, and you say SSDT. What do you mean by SSDT? SQL Server Data Tools. Okay, these are nothing but what? These are nothing but a Visual Studio. So it is a .NET software. Okay, Visual Studio will be opening. So this is a SSIS and SSAS and SSRS software. Clear? What software will be installed? SSDT. What is SSDT? SQL Server Data Tools. It is a Visual Studio software called .NET software. You don't need .NET Java, nothing. It is a software. Even Excel is also .NET software. Windows is also .NET software. SQL Server is also .NET software. So don't worry about Java software or .NET software. So SSMS means SQL Server and SSDT means SQL Server Data Tools. You have to go to start SSDT. So when you say SSDT, Visual Studio, clear? You have to click on this. It would have installed already. ఇది మీ దగ్గర ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. Clear? So open this. Now go to File, New Project. So after opening it, what you need to do? You have to go to File, New Project. It is very, very simple. You have to go to File, New Project. You have to open this. Go to File. How to open this? It is very simple, right? Go to Start SSDT. SSDT. You need to click on this. Now you have to go to File, New Project. Okay. Now you see Analysis Services. I have a multi-dimensional model, tabular model. I told you at the time of installation tabular, but you will be able to get it both. You will be able to get both, but I'm going to be using only tabular. I should not use the multi-dimensional. This is analysis. Reporting means it is a reporting services. Already it will come. And the business intelligence means this is SSIS, integration services. You will be able to give the project name, give the project, and we can do the things later. So SSRS will be installed, but we are not going to configure. So configuration purpose, this will be used. It will get installed, but you don't configure this. So this is needed to configure. But when you install this, so complete MSBA software will be installed. SSIS, SSAS and SSRS will be installed. For the configuration purpose, this, what is the configuration? You don't understand. This software is used So for the configuration, you don't download and you don't do any configurations. Clear, guys? So that is what you have to understand. Okay. Today, first class I have joined, sir. Can I know the full details and fee structure and more? So, Shiva, if you wanted to get the detailed communication means you have to write a mail to me saying that, sir, this is the first class. Go online. Bhaskar, Bhaskar Jogi. You can also talk to this team member saying that, so this is the first class today. I have to get the previous 3 classes. Now can you send it? And fee structure also. Okay. You can also attend today and tomorrow, and then you can make the payment. Call these numbers, and the previous videos, everything they will be giving it to you. And you can also mail me saying that, so I'm the new guy saying that. Okay, any new people can write a mail to me. They will be able to call these numbers as well. So that is the thing, no problem, guys. Okay, so this is what you should be able to do. So we have installed the software. Now this is done. So I told you how to go and do it. So for what is that you need to go? You have to go first, get this and download it, install it, and you have to tell me whether you're able to install or not in tomorrow's class. If you get any kind of an issues, if you get any kind of an issues, I cannot solve it. We need to consult nearest hardware shop only. Okay. If you have nearest hardware shop, you will be able to consult. Or do we have any hardware guys in this batch? Any hardware guys, any installation experts in this batch, any technical guys? If you have, you can also you utilize. Or in the previous batch we have some hardware guys. Okay, I will also give those give those guys numbers in tomorrow's class. If you have any issue, you can also call them and you can also ask them, because I am not a installation expert. Okay, I go to my laptop, I go to Kokatapalli. I am in Kokatapalli, right? I go to KPHB office and go to nearby hardware shop. I will ask everything done by the hardware shop guys only. I never installed any software. So if you have any issues, you can go to the nearest hardware shop. Go to the best hardware shop in your hometown. Okay. So if you're not able to do, at least some people are there in the previous batch. Those people also can connect online. They will be able to install. But before that, you have to download the software and keep it ready. Okay. If you download the software and keep it ready, so that they can help you if you're not able to install on your own. Okay. That is one. Now after this, the second software I have to install, Power BI. Install Power BI. The software name is called Power BI Desktop. Okay, it is not simply a Power BI, it is a Power BI Desktop. So how many? We have completed only 3 demos classes. No classes, only 3 demos completed. Today I am showing to how to install. That's it. Only these classes. So how many complete? These are only demos. Why Msbi? What is data analytics? Blah blah blah. So nothing else. Okay. So 3 demos got completed. They will be able to get. Now install what? Install Power BI Desktop. First, you have to go to Google or Chrome. So you need to go to Google or Chrome and you need to say download. Download which version? Download Power BI Desktop. Just click on this. So you have to click on downloads. Now, okay. Now it is saying 3 things. It is saying, what is that? Power BI Desktop, Power BI Mobile, Power BI on-premises data gateway. This we don't need. This we don't need. We need Power BI Desktop software. Clear? And it is telling download or advanced options. You have to click on this button. Advanced options. You have to take this and click on this. Okay, so I will give you this link. I will give you this link. You will be able to download from the this one directly. So I'm going to be giving you Control C and I am putting into the chart window. I am putting in the chart window. So you have to click on what? Advanced download options. Okay. So advanced download options. When you come down, click on a download button. When I click on download button, again, there are two options. There are two options. Okay, there are two options. Okay, you can get two options. One is called 64, one is called 32-bit mode. This is, we don't need. This is the one you need to download it. Clear? So which version you have to download it? PBI desktop 64. That is the one you need to download. So select this. Okay, directly you can go. I will be able to give you this link directly. You can download it from here. Okay, let me also, the latest version is this. Oh, sorry. The, what is happening? I wanted to give you Power BI desktop software is this software. Okay. Now this software I wanted to give you. Next, click on this next. Now it is getting downloaded. Have you seen this? Now we need to observe. So this is getting downloaded. It will take only 2 minutes to download. Very small software it is. Power BI software. Installation also 5 minutes. Downloading also 5 minutes. You can also download now. Tomorrow you install SQL Server. Okay. Tomorrow you can install SQL Server, and you can also download the software and install it now. 5 seconds left. Okay, 5 seconds left. You can also install Power BI first, and tomorrow you can, or later you can install SQL Server, and it is got downloaded. Where it will get downloaded? It will be downloaded into the downloads folder. So click on this, go to show in folder. Click on this, go to show in folder. Now it is downloaded to where? Always the software will be downloaded to downloads folder. So PBI desktop setup got downloaded. So I have already installed. I have to remove that software first, right? How to remove my existing software? You need not remove it. So I have already, this is the place from where I have downloaded. I have to uninstall first because I have uninstall the PBI desktop software. Okay. So how to do that? Go to start. If you wanted to remove any software, go to control panel. Okay. If you're a non-IT guy, you need to learn all of them. Go to start, say control panel, control. When you type control, you will be able to get control panel. Now click on uninstall program. Now, when you come down, there is a Power BI desktop. You have to double click on this, or you click on this, you click on uninstall. Okay, click yes. So I am removing this software. I am removing the software. Why? Because I have to show you how to install it. Clear? Remember, if you're having Windows 10, so I'm uninstalling. If you're having Windows 10, compulsorily, you have to update it. If you don't update it, so if you have updates off, then it is not going to work. You have to update your Windows without fail. Clear? Otherwise, it is not going to work. So compulsorily you need to check. If you have a Windows 11, you need not do anything. Windows 11, we have a home. That is also fine as of now. If you have a Pro, that is also fine. But Windows 10 guys, compulsorily you have to update. Clear? If you don't know how to update, go to nearest hardware shop and ask them to update your Windows 10. Clear? So that is what is the point. Now it is removing the software from my machine. Now I'll tell you, sir. So it is telling me finish. Now it got deleted. Now you may be asking, sir, what is the version number? Because SQL Server, there is a version number. What is the version number? 2019. But Power BI desktop software, what is the version number? So there is no version number. Why? Every month you will get a new version. That is the beauty. Every month you get a new version. So every month you have to uninstall and reinstall. Every month you have to uninstall, install. So Power BI desktop software will be Every month a new version you will get it. So there is no version number for this Power BI desktop. Now how to install? Just go there and uh, go to the software. Where is the software? Here is software. Double click on this now. Click next. I need 2 more minutes. Almost I am done. Click next. Click yes. Okay. And click next. I accept. Click next. Next. And install. It will take maximum 5 minutes to install the software. And Windows people, Windows 10 people compulsorily update their software. If they're putting it off, nothing is going to work. I'm telling you. Okay, and don't ask me what to do. I'm not a hardware guy. Go to the nearest hardware shop and you ask them the solution. Okay, so if they say you need to do blah blah blah, means you give some 500 rupees so that they will be able to support, and don't ask, it will be waste of time only. Clear? Because I'm not a hardware guy. I cannot help you guys. So hardware issues and everything, you have to go to the nearest hardware shop, or if you have any guys in the team, or from the previous batch, we have few people who are hardware engineers. So those people can help you. Those numbers and everything I can give you in tomorrow's class. Okay, na? Chalo. So this is how you will need time to install it, and after that you will enjoy. From tomorrow we'll start actual Power BI architecture and what is the Power BI, what are the components in Power BI, everything we are going to be learning from tomorrow. So don't miss any class. If you miss some class, at least you follow the video. Okay. So people who made the amount, they will get the videos. People who do not get, who did not make the payment yet, and they will not be able to get the today's video, but you will be able to get the first 3 days videos will be given. Clear? So people who joined today, so those people also will get all the previous videos, and you can just mail me in this one. Clear? Yeah, you take 1 week time and buy the system. You take 1 week time because I don't need the laptop now. You arrange the laptop in 10 days of time. Okay. So don't worry. You write me a mail. I will be able to give you all these software links and everything so that you will be able to install later. Clear? You arrange the laptop in a 1 week or maximum 10 days of time. It is done. So when you click on finish, it is going to open Power BI software. Click on finish. Click on finish. You will be able to this. And I am also planning to put this video in my YouTube channel. I will give the link. Okay, so don't worry about it. So this video also I'm putting in the public. You can also, everybody will get it. Don't worry. Okay. So you can go to YouTube, Bhaskar Jogi channel. You will be able to get this installation video. Okay. So could not load the schema. That is fine. You can close this. Now this is how you should be able to get this link, and you need to close this button. This is the one you need to close it. Now this is the Power BI desktop software. Okay, this is the Power BI desktop software. Tomorrow we'll talk about this architecture. Now this is a desktop software. Okay, I will be closing it today. Thank you so much for attending the class. Bye bye guys. Okay, so any questions you have, you will be able to ask me now. And if you need any information, you can just mail me so that I can help you. The new guys can write me a mail so that I can give you previous videos. If you stop this batch, the next batch will happen in the month of August. Every month, one batch. We don't have any classroom classes. We have purely online classes. Daily 1 hour, Monday to Friday, it will be there. Clear? So thank you guys. So portal support and everything, I told you, right? You need to call 9919919462. So Avinash is the guy who's going to be giving you access in the portal. So just WhatsApp him. It will take 1 or 2 days time to give the access, but this video also will be uploaded in the YouTube channel. You will get the link also. Don't worry about it. Chalo. Okay, subscribe my channel, and you can go to YouTube and subscribe the channel so that you will get latest videos and beautiful interview questions. Lot of things will be there. So that is what you have to do it, guys. Okay, installation links I have given already in the chat window, so you just get them. If you did not get it, means you write me a mail, I will be able to send the installation links, or I will ask my team to send installation links to you. You will get a mail. Check your spam folder. So sometimes we would have sent the mails, but it is there in the spam folder. So everybody will get installation links and everything. And I am also putting into the description window of the YouTube channel. Okay, you can also get all these, the links and everything will be there in the description window. You can also get these folders. I can download the software. Thank you, guys.